Hi, my name is Margot. If you stumbled across my channel, thank you for watching. I like mac and cheese, playing video games, and sitting on my floor and doing makeup. Today's look is a cute little smoky eye, clown, Halloween glam. I've never made YouTube videos before or even tried to record myself doing makeup or anything. So my setup is a little rough and I sit on my bedroom floor in front of a mirror and a ring light using my iPhone 6 Plus to do my makeup. So my setup is a little rough and I don't really know how to film yet, so the video might be a little awkward or my face might be out of frame, but I did my best to like cut out little random parts where my palette is like all the way in front of my eyeballs, because then you won't be able to see anything. And I already did my eyebrows and my face makeup because I find that boring to watch. I kind of want my channel to reflect things that I enjoy watching on YouTube, and watching people do their eyebrows, unless I'm specifically watching a brow tutorial or somebody put on their foundation, I don't really want to watch that, and it just makes the video like 20 times longer. So I cut all that out. If you want me to do a video on doing my foundation and brows, I will gladly do that, but my foundation shade doesn't even match my face really, and I kind of suck at doing my eyebrows, but I try my best. To create this look, the first one I used was the Violet Voss Bright Vibes palette. It's like my first rainbow palette because I pretty much do the same like 4 looks, which is like neutral browns, warm browns, oranges, purples, pinks sometimes, and that's pretty much it. And then I have the Violet Voss #Pro palette, the Anastasia Prism, and the Anastasia Subculture palette. I don't really like that palette, but it has 2 shades that I'm in love with, which is All Star and Rowdy faves. But in the crease with a giant big fluffy blending brush, I use the shade Radical, and then the next shade that I use with a smaller blending brush, I kind of don't remember what I used because I filmed this like 3 days ago, but I think I used TBT and Radical from the Violet Voss #palette, and then with an even smaller brush I went in with the Subculture palette and used, if I can get this palette open so I can look at it, I used All Star, and then on the outer corner in that like little V area I used the shade Rowdy, and then blended that in towards the crease. And then after that I used some black shadow on an even smaller lipstick, and it calls it like a little packer paw, so I kind of like that, so I'm just going to call it that, a little packer paw, to focus that black really on the outer corner and in towards the crease. And then blended my eyeshadow for like 45 minutes, I'm not even kidding. I think this look actually took me like an hour and a half to do, but thank God for editing to cut it down to like 12 minutes. And then after that I went in and cut the crease with some concealer. I don't really know how I would describe this, like how to cut a crease. It just like took me a lot of practice to do and watching a lot of YouTube tutorials. But I kind of just like go above my natural crease in like a C shape or like a half circle almost, and then stop it kind of past like, I don't know, the little black part of my eyeball. And then after that I went in with the shade Lucid in the Prism palette and put that all over the concealer. And then at that little, where that little line is by the edge of the shade, I went in with the color Dimension, and then just like blended that out on a tiny little baby brush. And then closer towards the outer corner I used Osiris in the Prism palette and blended that just to get rid of that harsh line and to create like a cute little gradient. And then I went back in with some more like black shadow or like some of that purple shadow in the Subculture palette. That shade is called Rowdy. And then after I finish my eyeshadow, I usually To make my line crisp, I don't like using the tape method because I feel like it's just like rough on your skin. And I like to do foundation first, so I don't really like to mess up my foundation with a piece of tape. So I usually just pack on a lot of translucent powder, and that usually gives me a crisper line. And then I just like wipe that away and I start doing my liner. I have no idea how I got lucky today and managed to do my eyeliner like actually pretty good this time, because usually I can never get my eyeliner even or looking good. I like rarely actually do eyeliner with my looks, but I know it's something I need to practice and get better at, so I've just been trying to incorporate eyeliner in my looks more. So I just did a cute little small wing with this look. Also, I just wanted to say I'm so sorry if you can hear me like breathe in my mic. I have no idea how to film this voiceover or how to make videos or how to do like anything at all that involves like YouTube videos or content creation. This is my very first time even like using iMovie at all, and the microphone on my headphones like pick up every little noise. So I don't know if I should like add music or not to this. I don't know. If anybody watches this and they have like any advice at all, or like what they like or what they don't like about it, please let me know so I can like, I don't know, fix it and make it better, because I've always wanted to make YouTube videos, but I've been too shy or scared, or like, I don't know. I never wanted people I know to watch them, but I don't know. I just have to get over that and let it be, because I want to make videos and it's fun, and I'm really glad that I finally decided to do that. And it's kind of fun because it encourages me to do more creative looks and, I don't know, try and do stuff that I enjoy. And I've always put it off my whole entire life, and I'm kind of tired of putting off things that I want to do or I've always wanted to do. I've seen so many YouTube videos or podcasts, and people are always like, what is your advice on starting a YouTube channel? How do I start a YouTube channel? And everyone's like, just do it. Like, don't put it off anymore. Just do it. So that's what I'm doing. And I have like a lot of amazing friends that are always encouraging me and supporting me. So I'm just, and my grandma recently passed away, and I just needed to find something that makes me happy and to pass time, because I just like graduated cosmetology school again, and I don't have a job yet, so I am just like super bored, and I don't know, I just need something to like do with my time that feels productive and something I like to do. But this whole experience, like sitting and filming and editing these videos, has made me realize like how much work like these YouTubers really be putting in. And I totally understand now why they pay people to edit their videos, because I spent yesterday editing, well, it wasn't yesterday, it was a couple days ago, but whatever, I spent like 4 hours just editing this video, because so many of like the things that I recorded, I had my palette like all the way in my face, or the lighting was weird, and there was a couple things that I messed up on my little like triangles that I didn't like, and I had to redo completely. At first with the triangles, I tried to do this cute like smoky purple black like thing like dragging down my face. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but it looked super muddy and didn't turn out the way I wanted to, so I had to completely fix it and redo it. And then in some of my pictures you can kind of like see the purple like still like stained on my face, but it ended up working out. The only thing I wish I could change is the fact that one of my triangles is longer than the other one. I don't know if that matters, but I'm kind of a perfectionist and wish like they were like super even and matched, but whatever, there's nothing I can do about it now. But yeah, so here's just me like using the Eyeko Black eyeliner to create these triangles. I don't have any body paint, which I really want to get so I can create more looks other than just stuff that incorporates eyeshadow and eyeliner, because I have so many ideas. I've seen so many amazing inspiration pics on Instagram, but I don't have the tools to create these looks. I know I can use eyeshadow, but I don't know, the tools that you use, just, they really do matter with what you're trying to create. I don't even have a black lipstick, so I'm just using a black pencil liner, which came off like 2 seconds after I did this look. And I also never do lipstick, like, at all. Like, I am a complete gloss girl, so even trying to like do my lipstick and like fill my lips in and stuff was the hardest part about this look, honestly. I didn't really like how the lips turned out that much, but I still think that the look was really cute, and I like the way that the end result was. Now I'm just like putting some lashes on. I don't even know what kind of lashes they are. I got them in a cute little, I did this like lipstick nail pout class here in North Hollywood, and she gave us a cute little goodie bag, and it came with some lashes. It's like in this pink box, and it's called NU brand, like new. I don't know what they are. I've never seen this brand before, but they're super big and beautiful and fluffy, and I love them. I have never really worn lashes with looks before, and so I'm really glad I got these lashes to play around with and like teach myself how to put on lashes. And before I was like, oh, I don't need lashes. Lashes don't even like make a look. But bitch, do lashes make a look? So I've just been like wearing lashes now with every single look I do, and they make it look so bomb. Also, can we talk about how this purple makes my brown eyes like pop? It looks so good. And now I'm just highlighting my face with this like sleek makeup palette. Thank you guys for watching this super weird, rambly, awkward first video of mine. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.